In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a signature in DocHub. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so even if you're completely new to DocHub, you'll be able to follow along easily. The goal here is to add a signature field to a PDF so the right person can sign it in the correct place. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to go to the official website. This is important because you want to make sure you're accessing the right platform before signing in or uploading any documents. After the site opens, go ahead and sign in to your account. If you're already logged in, you may be taken straight to your dashboard. If not, just complete the sign-in process and wait for the main workspace to load. From the dashboard, open the PDF you want to work with. If your file isn't already there, create a new document and upload your PDF. This will bring the file into the editor, where you can place fields and prepare it for signing. Make sure the document is fully loaded before moving on, so you can place the signature field accurately. Next, look to the left vertical sidebar and click the Manage Fields tool. The icon usually looks like a small form layout, so it should be fairly easy to spot. This tool is what allows you to add interactive fields to your document, including signature areas. When that panel expands, click the Signature Field tool. This tells DocHub that you want to place a spot in the document where someone will be able to sign. At this point, your cursor will be ready to drop that field onto the page. Now click directly on the area of the document where you want the recipient to sign. As soon as you click, DocHub will place the signature field box there. Try to position it carefully so it lines up neatly with the rest of the document. If needed, you can usually adjust placement after it's been added, but it's always helpful to get it as close as possible on the first try. Finally, use the panel on the right-hand side to assign that signature field to a specific email address. This step is especially important because it tells DocHub who is supposed to complete that signature. Double-check that the correct recipient is assigned before you move on, since that helps avoid confusion later in the signing process. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a signature field in DocHub and assigned it to the right person, making your document ready for the next step in the signing workflow.